In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to change your army in Friendly Challenge in Clash of Clans. So let's jump right into it. First, open your Clash of Clans game. Now go to your clan chat where Friendly Challenge is available. Tap on Friendly Challenge or create a new one by pressing the challenge button. If you don't know how to create a friendly challenge, just comment below and I'll make a video on that. Once the friendly challenge is available, simply tap on the attack button. Before starting the attack, you will see your current army setup. Now here's the important part. Now tap here to remove your current army, then choose a new army according to your strategy. Select the spells from here. You can select Clan Castle Army from here. Now tap on Attack to start the friendly challenge with your new army. And that's how you can easily change your army in Friendly Challenge in Clash of Clans. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.